Did you know that we take about 20,000 breaths a day? So how do you ensure that the air around you is clean? I don't know about you, but I have the Ecom 030 Plus air purifier. Right, Momo?
Yes!
So you know this air purifier actually has the strongest clean air delivery rate, and it also helps to remove bacteria and odor. 它可以消除臭味的嘞。This patented ClO2 technology, it actually helps to kill virus in the vicinity, and it even works when the air purifier is switched off. It's the hidden remote control. So you can keep the remote control inside the machine so you don't ever lose it.
What is this?
This is the air filter. Now where's the humidifier? You can put water in there and then it will have a humidifying effect.
What is this? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8.
So many!
So many.
Momo, how many fans are there?
8.
8! Did you know that this is the world's first air purifier with 8 fan wheels?
Yes.
This Ecom 030 Plus, it has the strongest clean air delivery rate. It also helps to remove odor, bacteria, virus, and even cigarette smoke.
这个是什么？
这个是 HEPA Platinum Filter， 是世界上最强的 filter。我们把它放回去。哇哦！
还有